In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage user roles in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to refine your organizational skills, these steps will help you manage users effectively within your online store. To start, you'll want to head over to Shopify's admin homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to your store's management. Once there, it's crucial to locate and click on the Settings option. The Settings menu is where you'll find a whole range of tools to fine-tune how your store functions and looks. It's your gateway to customizing aspects of your store that impact both you and your team. Within Settings, go ahead and click on Users. This section is vital because it allows you to oversee and manage everyone who has access to your store. Proper user management is key to maintaining a secure and organized store environment. Here you can review existing users and ensure each person has the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities. Next, you'll want to navigate to Roles. This option is adjacent to Users and helps you define the specific functions each user should have access to. Defining roles is essential for streamlining operations and maintaining control over who can perform certain actions. Taking the time to thoughtfully assign roles ensures that workloads are distributed appropriately and efficiently. Returning to your user management, make sure to select Add Users. Adding new users is a straightforward yet important task. When introducing a new member to the team, it's critical to ensure they are set up for success from the beginning. Add their information carefully to maintain smooth operations and avoid any access issues that might disrupt their workflow. Once you've entered the new user's details, proceed by clicking Next. This step often involves reviewing the permissions and ensuring that everything is correct before finalizing the addition. Attention to detail here is crucial. A small oversight can lead to potential issues down the line. Review everything meticulously to uphold the integrity and security of your store. By following these steps diligently, you empower your Shopify store with robust user management, promoting efficiency, security, and clarity in your daily operations. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find it easier to adapt and refine your store's management to suit ever-evolving business needs. Mastering user roles within Shopify is an ongoing process that will reward you with a smoother workflow and improved collaboration. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to running a more organized and secure online store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials to enhance your e-commerce journey.